Hey guys, what's up? My name is Anton and I'm getting ready today for tomorrow's track day at Laguna Seca. I have to prepare my GoPro, my camera gear. I also have to check my tire pressure, also some fluids, and then maybe also check some engine oil if it's enough, and then bring some with me. Alright, so first of all, let's go wash the car. Oh yeah, and there is something else. I have to put some water for my windshield because it's run out, and tomorrow on track it's very important to have some water. And I also forgot to tell you guys that tomorrow is supposed to rain, so let's see how it goes on the track. Here we go. Alright, one more on. Alright then. Check out my bike, guys. I'm gonna do separate review on this guy. I'm gonna tell you the story how I picked it up from LA, and then all the mods I did and all the conversions. Yeah, and check out the seat. Very nice. Alright guys, I think car wash was a success. Check it out yourself. Another thing, I actually forgot to tank. Alright guys, success. Car washed, gas pumped, so everything ready for tomorrow. See you tomorrow. Alright guys, 6 AM in the morning. See you on the track. Alright guys, as you can see, it's so much rain, so the event is not cancelled. Let's see. Let's go. Alright guys, we are here. Finally, so rain stopped. I'm in here with my buddy Tim. What's up, Tim?
Hey, morning. How's it going? Happy track day.
Alright, thank you.
What?
22, that's my number.
That's my number.
Alright, let's put the
Some
stickers
nice
on the
cars
car.
and
Go. Alright, how you guys like this lap? It was good? Today is a very slippery day, so I couldn't go full power actually on the track. But there's always next time, yeah? So let's check out some sceneries here and the B-roll from C43, sorry. Okay, let's try to do some drifting. It's not allowed here, but we just do it just a little bit, okay? Check it out, like what happened to the car after car wash yesterday. But it was an awesome day, so you like it?
yeah, it was awesome. Perfect day.
Alright guys, let me know how you guys like it. Subscribe and let me know what else you guys want to see in my channel. Peace. Check out how dirty is the car after the track. Crazy. Alright, see you guys next time.